You can make real money online just for listening to music thanks to this platform called Mixkit.com. But now just do not interrupt this video and start trying it by yourself, because not only with the help of Mixkit but as well with the help of these other platforms, you will be able to get paid from $3 to up $4 and $7 for every single music that you share. For every single person that start listening to your music, you will get paid this high amount of money online. You can get paid again and again just by doing so. But in order to make it work and to understand how you can make more than up to $17 just for sharing this kind of music, you don't have to interrupt this video. You will have to stay with me, stick till the very end of it, so you can understand how you can make it work. Otherwise, you will get confused if you just interrupt it and you will not know what to do. For real, the platform is called Mixkit.com, but the platform that is going to pay you online money, I'm going to show it within some minutes, so pay attention. At the very end of the video, I'm going to share even a bonus tip so you can use it to earn and maximize your earnings as well. Before going there and sharing that with you, don't forget to go to Better Personal Growth. And if you do really like to make money online, give a big thumb up to the video below, subscribe to the channel, and push the notifications on. And as well, go to the comment section if you do have any question, or go to the share option if you do want to share this video with your friends so they can start making a time same as you right now. And the platform which is going to pay you money online is called uploadforever.com, and you will be able to upload here different free iCloud storage, free cloud storage, different file sharing. So in order to find them and to understand where you can use them and where you can find them so you can earn money online, you will have to go to this other platform which I told you since in the beginning, and you will be able to combine them together and to start earning online money. The platform is called Mixkit.co, and both of the platforms, uploadforever.com and Mixkit.co, are totally for free. And what you can find in Mixkit is free assets for your next video project. Now don't worry, because we're not here for any video project or other thing. We're here just to share music. So if you pay attention, I'm going to teach you where you can find it. But before going there, you will be able to find here even awesome stock video clips, stock music, sound effect, video templates, and all of these things, all these categories divided right over here, like After Effects, Final Cut Pro, instruments, ambient, lifestyle, cinematic, hip-hop, drone shoot, technology, people, and nature are totally available for free. And yeah, you can use them with the help of this platform. I told you that we are not here to create any video. We're not here to do stuff like that. We are here to share music, which we're going to find it ready. So if we go to the upper corner of this platform, you will be able to see categories like video, music, sound effects, template, and icons. You just click into music and you will be directed right over here where you can find music totally for free to use in your next video project or to share it. You can be able to find outstanding royalty-free stock music with different genres, mood, and text. You can see to the genres that all of them are included. You can see the moods that are different ones and tags that are different as well, and almost unlimited, which it makes you totally secure that you will find here unlimited music to access and to start sharing and earn money again and again just by doing it. Now that you are here, you will just click into genre, and I'm gonna just choose classic, but you can choose which one of them you would like to. I'm just gonna choose classic so I can give you an information or an example of it. And you can see here that they are offering free music to download classic one. You can see the title, the minutes, and so I'm just gonna click into download option so I can download it totally for free in my device. And you can see that it is downloaded right over here in the in the low corner of the page. Now that I downloaded the music, what I need is a place where I'm going to share it so I can have traffic resource and I can earn money. This is the time where you can use uploadforever.com. As I told you, this is a file sharing free cloud storage, and you can upload here your files safely without not worrying about copyright issue or any problem like that. If you scroll, you can see some features that they are offering. So what is upforever.com as a center to upload files and images, which all of you can begin for free, and it will pay you nothing, so you can make money from home. You can have here even a referral bonus, referral to reward, which is almost 10% of the profits or the commissions. And as well, you can see how you can earn money, buy products, detailed statistics, low minimums for withdrawals, which is almost $1. So if you just earn $1, you can withdraw them with the help of this platform. You will be able to get the higher rates, support for most banks, and support from their working team as well. If you do scroll, you will be able to see the membership plans, which visitor and normal membership are totally for free, and it will pay you will not pay anything at all. But as well, you will be able to use premium membership, which is almost $10 per month, which is not a high amount of money. It's going to offer you unlimited storage space, download resume, and no ads. But no worries, guys, you will not need that. So you can just use a normal membership, so you can access the platform and start sharing totally for free there. You can see application performance and other features like upload files, fast and smooth, notification and messages, user interference, statistics and profits, and many features more. Now that you saw all this, what is important for us is for sure the payment proof. So if you just click into payment proof, you will be directed right over here, where you can be able to see different people getting paid almost these days for just using this platform. You can see the data, the time, the username, and the amount of money or payment method that they have got. You can see that they are getting paid different amount of money just for sharing this kind of music, and you can get paid the same. You can get the lowest amount of money or the highest one as well. So if you pay attention, you can even see in the make money option right over here that they have the best pricing profit, and they are giving different tier for different places. There are 4 tiers included. Tier number 1, it's United States. Tier number 2, Australia. Tier number 3, Saudi Arabia. And tier number 4, other countries, which it makes you totally secure that it is worldwide. But why it is divided into tier and length? It's because if you are, for example, from America or Canada, you can get paid $7. But if you're using this platform from other places, you will get $4 or $3 for every single music that you share. What is important here is that you will get paid no matter what place you become from. Now that you saw all this, you will just click into sign up, where you will be able to sign up with your username, your email, or you can just choose to sign up with Facebook, Twitter, Google, and so. Now that you have signed up, you will be able to get directed into their main page, which is going to look like exactly like this one. You can upload your files, get your money, and see other options as well. You can see in the dashboard that they're offering some categories like My Files, Reports, Payment Information, Payment Request, Upload Files, Shop Sites, Premium, Desktop Uploader, and Make Money, Payment Proof, News, Contact, Terms and Services. Now that you saw all this, what is important for us is payment information, so you can see that different people are getting paid with different payment methods. So like Payeer, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, AdCash, Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Western Union as well. So it doesn't matter if you don't have a PayPal account, you can use the other ones and you can get paid again and again, same as the people you saw in the video. Now that you saw all this information, what is important is to upload a file. So just click into upload files and you will be directed right over here, where you can choose the file that you just downloaded from the platform that you saw since the beginning. You can choose the file just by clicking in the blue button right over here, upload it, typing the name that you saw in the beginning of the video at this platform, at the music that you just downloaded. You can just type the name of that music, same as you're watching right now, and after that just start sharing it. No worries, guys, they will not ban you from a copyright issue or so. You will just get banned if you share something that is violent and so. So be careful if there is any content violent, don't share it with this platform, because otherwise they will ban you, they will delete your account and get your money. Now that you saw all this, you can share this platform, you can share this music with different platforms so you can get more paid. So if you just go to Facebook small YouTuber groups, you can share this with YouTubers or content creators as well. You can just click into these different groups, join there, and after that, after you have joined the groups, you can see even the members, which are more than thousands of them, and you can share your music so you can get paid more and more just by doing so. Or you can just even share it if you search for content creator groups. That was all for today. If you like it, don't forget to give a big thumb up to the video, to subscribe, and to push the notifications on the channel. Thank you for watching.